Hi, is your keyboard looking a little bit like mine? Anyways, my keyboard right now is a little bit too dirty, greasy, and quite frankly disgusting. So this is a friendly and gentle reminder to all of us gamers that it's time to clean our keyboards. And without further ado, let's get started. Time to put on the gloves. Actually, I forgot. I have to remove the keycaps first. Sorry. Guys, I'm just gonna do this by hand. It's taking too long. Oh, so much hair. Ew. Ew, yuck. I'm gonna blur this out because it's really disgusting. Let's do this, guys. I have my gloves now. And let's just do a little bit more brushing. This is a clean toothbrush. Because the blower hardly know her. Could not have taken all the gunk out by itself. We have to take care of our gaming peripherals, guys. Y'all are interested, by the way, these are brown switches. I forgot which actual brand. Sure as hell ain't cherry, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip just to sanitize it a little bit more. I'm not really sure if the PCB board or whatever it's called is, if you can put alcohol in it, but I'm just gonna risk it. I like to sanitize the board as well, not just the keycaps. If I break something here, it is what it is. So you use alcohol at your own discretion. I think this is the best I can do for now. This is a huge improvement from earlier, so I'm happy about this one. Like I said, I can't really clean every nook and cranny perfectly, but this will do. We are going to put this to the side a little bit. I'm gonna clean the outer case as well later. Actually, you know what? I might have missed a spot or two, so let's just shake it. Don't worry about the desk, I'm gonna clean it as well. Ew, so dirty. I got a bowl of warm water here. Not too hot. You don't want to burn the plastic. You should be able to still touch it. Just add a little bit of dishwashing soap. Shoot, added a lot. Whoops. Oh no! Frick. I'm making a mess. In my head earlier, before I started, this was way more elegant. You gotta do what you gotta do. We're making cereal, guys. I'm just kidding. Anyone hungry? So I'm just gonna leave this for maybe an hour. Just so I'm gonna agitate it. While we're waiting, let's just clean the desk a little bit. Please subscribe, there's a whole world that we can all explore. We're all born minds to think alive. We're all born minds to think alive.